Selling digital products has been a huge part of my business model for the past 5 years. And in the beginning, when I first started selling digital products, I started using Kajabi basically right away. It was the all-in-one option that I really needed. But I'm always getting asked all of the time by other business owners and content creators what platform I use to host and sell my digital products. And like I just said, for the longest time, Kajabi was the answer. But that's all changing. I'm moving all of my products over to MemberVault. And in this video, I want to break down why I'm making the switch. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Mariah from MariahMagazine.com, and on this channel, I help simplify things like SEO, websites, tech, and I dive into tools and recommendations to help you grow your online business in a way that works for you. So in today's video, I'm kind of going to bring you behind the scenes and walk you through my thought process on making the pretty big decision to move over from Kajabi, which was my all-in-one option for so long, and moving things over to MemberVault. So I'm going to go through the pros, the cons, and the certain considerations that I've had to make because MemberVault is not an all-in-one option like Kajabi is. So without further ado, let's kick it into the screen share. Okay, so the first thing that kind of kicked off this transition thought process was Kajabi's limited email marketing capabilities. That was the very first pain point where I was like, I'm getting more strategic with the emails that I send and my newsletters and sales funnels and everything like that. And Kajabi was fine to use for email for so long. I literally have 35 pages of emails. So you can see that I've taken advantage of this option here. But because I wanted to get a little bit more strategic with things, I made the decision in my head that I would like to move my email marketing from Kajabi over to Kit, aka ConvertKit. And so I really started taking a look at the different features that Kit had for sending emails, and honestly nothing compared to the options that Kajabi had. One of my favorite things is that when you have a paid Kit account, you can have a creator profile and then people can add you to suggestions, and when people sign up for other people's newsletters, Kit can go ahead and recommend you if they add you to their list. And that's helping grow your newsletter list without you even having to really do anything. So it's just these options that Kit has created that really allow creators to take advantage of email marketing and get people on their newsletters. And then I liked the fact that I could publish a email newsletter and then have a public URL and be able to share it so I could tease it out on my Instagram stories and stuff like that. So this is obviously Kit, but Kajabi didn't really have those options. And I was like, well, if I'm going to take my newsletter seriously, I want to jump into something that really, really specializes in email marketing. And honestly, I took a look at their pricing and I was like, okay, I have around 3,000 email subscribers, a little less, and this isn't bad. And also I could get started with $0 a month, but I did want to be able to use the free recommendations and remove Kit branding and stuff like that. So that's why I jumped right into the paid plan, but I snagged their Black Friday deal, which was incredible. Okay, so that was the very first thing that got me thinking. And so if I'm moving my email marketing over from Kajabi to Kit, then what am I using Kajabi for? I'm using it to host my digital products and for the cart option or payment options for my digital products. But to be honest, if we look at Kajabi's pricing, I'm on the basic account for Kajabi. And so it's I'm going to be paying $149 a month to literally just host my digital products and to be able to have a way for people to pay for them. That is just, since I'm not using all of the bells and whistles with Kajabi anymore, that all-in-one platform pricing stopped making sense. And then we add in the fact that with that all-in-one pricing of $149 a month, I was still really limited in so many different things. So with the plan that I was on, I could only technically have 3 products, and I wasn't able to do advanced automations. I wasn't able to have an affiliate program, custom branding, webhooks, or the custom code creator. I would have to upgrade my plan to even more money a month. And it's like I wasn't taking advantage of that all-in-one extra stuff anymore. So to then spend more money for stuff just didn't make any sense to me. And then at the same time, it's like I've really been considering doing an affiliate program, but I've been restricting myself and kind of holding back even when people ask for it, because I was like, man, I don't want to pay even more money for Kajabi just to have an affiliate program. And I started thinking like there has got to be another option here, which is where MemberVault comes in. So I actually was doing an SEO audit for like behind the scenes stuff for MemberVault, and I got to really see under the hood of things. I got to really connect with the co-founders and the developers of MemberVault. And I was like, wait a minute, this could be the exact thing that I was looking for. And so I took a look at their pricing. And so at the time of this recording, their prices are about to increase on my first. So when y'all are seeing this recording, don't come at me in the comments when their prices have increased. You can see right here, they are in the middle of that. Okay. But even so, like they have options, 5 products for only $19 a month. That is so different than Kajabi's option right here. For 3, I was paying $150. And so I was like, okay, but I can't just get caught up in like how many products and stuff like that. I want to see the other options that are included. And so with MemberVault, all MemberVault accounts have access to these features, like basically all of their features. So you're really mostly limited by the number of products and the community. You're not limited by members. You're not limited by pages and posts. You're not limited by webhooks. Like everybody can use webhooks. Everybody can add a custom domain. You get support. You can add an affiliate program. If you literally only pay $19 a month, you will be able to have an affiliate program with your products. And I was like, okay, I'm going to have to at least start testing this out. And so I bought the $99 stress-free lifetime plan. And so that plan is basically one payment of $99, and you are able to have one product forever. So this is not like a monthly recurring thing. And so I ended up snagging this because I was like, okay, let me see if I enjoy MemberVault behind the scenes as an admin user before I jump in and snag anything else. So when I started messing around with MemberVault, one of the main things that was super important, since I already made the decision to move my email marketing over to Kit, was that they actually integrated well with Kit. And literally, if we go to integrations email, so this is the back end of MemberVault here, they integrate with Kit so easily. And if you lose the connection for any reason, it's literally like a one-click thing that happens in order to reconnect. And I don't have to jump through as many hoops to connect MemberVault with Kit like I had to connect Kajabi with Kit. You would think Kajabi, massive business, can definitely connect with Kit, no problem. It was such a pain in the butt. MemberVault actually connects better with Kit than Kajabi did. So I am loving that. That was really, really important to me. And I wanted to make sure that when I snag that stress-free, like one product lifetime at first, that this was super easy. And it was. And then the other thing was an affiliate program, like I already mentioned. So I can have an affiliate program and everybody can have their own shareable links to the different products and all of that stuff. And we can have a leaderboard. So helpful. And you get access to this even if you only snag the stress-free one product lifetime. And then the other thing is that this is the welcome area that comes with MemberVault, and then you'll have your available products listed below here. So I like that they allow you to have a welcome area that's really easy to customize. You get an announcement bar up here so that your overall MemberVault account feels a little bit more streamlined, where it's like Kajabi, this is what it looked like. And I mean, it's not bad, but like with MemberVault, I get to customize the buttons and I get to play around with this top thing up here that I feel like looks a little bit more professional on this MemberVault account. And so you're probably like, girl, I thought you only snagged the stress-free lifetime 1 product plan, but as you can see here, now I have 3 products, and that's because since testing things out, I ended up loving MemberVault so much, and it was such a really great fit for what I was looking for, that I ended up actually snagging their all access lifetime option. So if you didn't want to pay monthly for an option, you can snag an unlimited all access lifetime for 1 payment. And that was incredible to me because Kajabi doesn't even have that option. So if I want to use Kajabi, I'm going to be paying monthly for the rest of my existence. Okay, so all of this, very cool, very helpful. And the other things that I wanted to show you that I was playing around with. So I ended up doing a pay what you want workshop with MemberVault. It was one of the very first products that I ended up testing and playing around with in MemberVault, and I just want to show you. So if you want to click get more details here, this is kind of like the sales page, but we have the buttons here. You can see like the module options, a little preview. You can see that they are locked, but when you click pay what you want and buy a ticket, this was really, really fun. I ended up being able to create numerous payment options. So with the pay what you want workshop, you could choose whichever payment that you wanted, and they all give you access to the same workshop. Where Kajabi, you don't have that option, kind of like Thrivecart does, if you're familiar with them, where you have the option to choose different payment options on one checkout page. Kajabi never had that as an option, but MemberVault has that as an option. And so I really started being able to play around with it for a pay what you want. And then the other thing that I'm really loving is kind of like this binge and buy perspective that they have going on. So it's like when people are looking to buy one product or they're inside of one product, you can kind of see that there's an option to have other available products listed so that people can check out the other products that you have going on and kind of allow your people to take a look at your digital product options and your solutions and kind of like allow them to flow within your ecosystem really well. And so I really, really love that. And then I think that there's only like 2 other things that I want to show you here. So you're not going to understand what all of this is. These are actions on the back end of MemberVault, but they have this fun gamification option. So it's like when somebody purchases a product, I can have a cute little message pop up. And this is what it looks like on the front end. Like, how fun. I know that this isn't the biggest deal in the world, but that celebration just feels like, okay, cool. It makes them excited to be able to dive in and to start working on the course material or check out the option that they purchase. And then the last thing that I'm obsessed with so far is quiz questions. So you can, in all of your products, you can add modules and add quiz questions, but I've been using these as a way to do market research. So in 2 different ones of my products, I will either have like a pre-course question. So like getting a feel for like what people are thinking as soon as they buy. And then I have a feedback section that allows me to see what they thought after they went through the course or after they went through the workshop. So this has been really helpful at getting market research, at understanding my users a lot better. And I've sent surveys before to people. I've tried to get testimonials before from people, and like it's so hard to get people to fill that out. But I found that since moving things into MemberVault, people are more likely to answer these questions because it's built into the process itself. And so I'm surprised that literally, I think it's over 50% of the time people have filled out these pre-course questions and the feedback questions, which I was not expecting at all. So all in all, I would say that my experience moving from Kajabi over to MemberVault has been an exciting one, a fun one. I feel like I'm learning more and more each time that I add a new product over there, and I'm just getting started. So I've only been messing around with MemberVault for about a month and a half at the time of this recording, and I still have to move all of my other digital products over from Kajabi to MemberVault. And so I'm excited to share some updates once I end up doing that. And so I will say that there are some things to be aware of when you're considering MemberVault. So like I mentioned before, they are not an all-in in one platform, like something like Kajabi. So MemberVault does not host your videos for you. They also are not an email marketing platform and don't send emails for you. Okay, so there's also some other things to keep in mind, which is why I wrote up like a written version of like a MemberVault review for you so that you can see at first glance on one page all of the features that MemberVault has, along with the pros, like what I'm loving about it, and the cons, so the things to be aware of. So that MemberVault review, I'm going to leave a link to that in the video description box below. And if you want to give MemberVault a try, if you want to snag that $99 stress-free plan, you can use my affiliate link, mariahmagazine.com/MemberVault, and it should redirect you right over there. I will also put that link in the video description box below. But overall, I think that's it for today's video. If you guys found this video helpful, give me a really quick thumbs up. The simple thumbs up does go a long way in letting the YouTube algorithm know that my video is helpful, and therefore hopefully pushing it out to more people that also might find it helpful. And if you have any other questions about MemberVault or my move from Kajabi over to the MemberVault and Kit combo, definitely leave me a comment below the video. I use your comments, your feedback, and your suggestions to inspire new products, new videos on this channel, and new content over on my website. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video.